starting with the video number 1. Let's watch it together. By the way guys, if you want to know how I made these videos, I explained in details how to write a prompt to make cinematic videos like these in my previous video. Make sure to check it out, I will leave a link in the description. If you look at the original one, the 1080p, the buildings looks normal. In the 720p, it's kinda close to it, but it looks more sharp. It's fine though, I don't think it's a big deal, but if you look at the 480p, the differences are very obvious. The buildings look like they are lacking some details and painted a little bit. But if you look at the 480p by the Topaz upscaler, it's really good, and I dare to say it's even better than the original one. The details here are more clear than the original one. Next, if we look at the road, there's something really weird here in the 720p and the 480p. On the other hand, the Topaz is actually winning here. But if we look at the reflection on the water right here, all of the upscalers actually failed to do it correctly. The original one is the winner here. The buildings in all of them are clear and don't have this blurry wavy effect that the water usually has. The last thing is when the car moves in all of them, it shows up from the smoke gradually in a smooth way. Except for the Topaz one, it was blurry and suddenly becomes clear in a weird way. But you need to focus to notice it. Anyway, what I would do is, I would go for 480p, and then, if I like it, I upscale it to 1080p using the Topaz upscaler, and then I upscale again to 4K 60 FPS using the ByteDance upscaler. That's what I would do. Now, I will let you guys watch each one of these test videos and decide yourself which one is better.